Now, what is SNAP? It's the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program for low-income households, food stamps by the old name, but now, in today's world, in the electronic debit card form, the EBT. What's the legal issue? It's whether courts can force the Trump administration to fully fund SNAP using some of the money available in Section 32 of the Agricultural Adjustment Act of 1935 to fund the November SNAP payments. Benefits in the amount of about $4 billion from this sort of contingency fund that they have that they could use for it. It would leave, still in that fund, after they fund SNAP, would still leave $23 billion in that fund for other uses. And a lower court, a federal district court, ordered the Trump administration to fully fund it, not just partially fund it, but to fully fund it. And the Trump administration naturally appealed that to the First Circuit Court of Appeals. That circuit refused Trump's request to stay the district court ruling while the Court of Appeals considered the appeal. In the meantime, not happy with the lack of a stay, the Trump administration does what it always does. It ran to the Supreme Court seeking a stay to do the same thing. So they want a stay of the district court ordering them that you got to fund the benefits so people can have money to eat. They want to stop that so they have time to appeal things, to try and get it to the full Supreme Court, et cetera, et cetera. So they went up to the Supreme Court to ask, stay this, because the Court of Appeals won't do it. Now, why is Justice Jackson the only justice involved? Because Supreme Court justices get assigned to different circuits, and Justice Jackson has the assignment of the First Circuit. So this question of a stay, will the Supreme Court administratively stay the district court's decision, goes to her first, and she issued an administrative stay, which is different than a stay pending the appeal, which is more, we're waiting to hear the substance. Why is there a difference between these two things, which seem exactly the same? They're both meant to kind of, as all stays are, as we've learned, meant to freeze the situation while courts can figure it out. Well, here's the difference. The administrative stay is actually meant just to give the Court of Appeals or the Supreme Court, time to hear the full question of should there be a stay during the appeal. Okay, so it's sort of like a quickie stay so that we have time to consider whether we should have a longer stay, all right?